Hey, what's up everyone? If you're into groovy vibes, far out fashion, and a dash of nostalgia, then you're going to dig what I'm talking about today. We're headed over to the one and only Hippie Fest in Tarpon Springs, Florida. It's where peace, love, and tie-dye take over the world famous sponge docks. So if you're ready, let's go jump into it. First things first, what is Hippie Fest? Well, it's a rad celebration of all things hippie, straight out of the 60s and 70s. And guess what? It's totally free. You heard that right. No ticket required to get your groove on. They shut down a chunk of Dodecanese Boulevard on the sponge docks, turning it into a pedestrian paradise packed with boutiques, food trucks, and a lineup of killer live music. Oh, and did I mention it's right on the sponge docks? I did mention that. Yep, that's right, the same place known for the rich Greek history, but for one day in August, it's all about peace signs, flower power, and of course, Volkswagens. Now let's talk about the vibe. Whether you're here to soak in the atmosphere or get your shop on, Hippie Fest delivers. The shops bust out their hippie gear, think tie-dye, headbands, and peace sign everything. It's like stepping into a time machine, except way more colorful. And if you're wondering about food, don't worry, the food trucks have you covered, with everything from classic festival eats to some local favorites. So grab a bite, and maybe even a drink or two, and just vibe out to the music that plays all day long. Now here's where things get real interesting. People really get into Hippie Fest. I'm talking full-on hippie costumes. Fringe, bell-bottoms, peace signs, you name it, someone's rocking it. And if you're feeling bold, there's a costume contest that lets you stretch your stuff on stage. But the costume contest isn't the only highlight. Oh no. For all you car lovers out there, the VW car show is where it's at. Bugs, buses, and everything in between line the streets. It's like a dream come true for any VW enthusiast. Just be ready to snap those pics early because the heat tends to send some of those beauties packing by mid-afternoon. Alright, so you're thinking about going. Awesome. But Tarpon Springs has more to offer than just Hippie Fest. While you're in town, why not take a sunset cruise out to Anclock Key? Or hit up the local shops on the sponge docks? If you're feeling adventurous, grab a kayak and explore the bayous or go on a brewery tour downtown. And if you're staying overnight, I recommend the Hampton Inn and Suites. They've got that cozy vibe perfect for a long day of peace and love. So if you're looking for a trip down memory lane or just a super fun day out, Hippie Fest in Tarpon Springs is where it's at. Mark your calendars, grab your best tie-dye, and get ready to groove. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more cool events like this. Catch you on the flip side. Peace out.